mama, 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 dada, lava, mama, 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 dada, mama.
Yeah, I mean I say, I the one done again. So I say straight up. Yeah, it's Father's Day. I mean I say, yo, congratulations to all of the fathers them in Jamaica. Yes. Whether you're in Jamaica or out of Jamaica, if you come from Jamaica or you're a father, happy Father's Day. In or out of Jamaica, to every fathers in Jamaica and around the world. So me I say, yeah. Give thanks to the fathers, them really and truly stand up. Me don't know my papa. So me I say, me I tell the world this. I know this great thing me I talk. And enough man like me out there, enough girl like me out there. I know them father, uncle and mother alone, you see me I say. But through a Father's Day, I mean I say, yo, happy Father's Day to every fathers. You see me? Enough man will say, well, I want to tell man happy Father's Day, you know? Because you know them young generation I think. But me don't care what them want to say. Because through me know me not think the way what them I think. Me I say happy Father's Day to every father in Jamaica. Happy Father's Day to every fathers in Jamaica and around the world. Yeah, and me I say, yeah man, and again me say congratulations to every father we stand up with them child. So me I say, yeah man, happy Father's Day to honor. Because you have some father run gone. I don't know why. When them get the thing and them sweet them, they never did want to run gone. But as a little child come, some of them just take it to heart and run gone to another woman. That's what me I say. Yeah. You have woman out there give up to, you know. Yeah. But me I say, congratulations to the few fathers them we stand up. Because very few fathers out there right now. You can stand up and say, yes, me a daddy. Me never run from the problem when it come. You understand what me I say? Yeah, so. Big up to the few fathers them. You see what I say? Happy Father's Day to every fathers again in Jamaica and around the world. Straight. And the one Dan. You see what I say? The only Dan. You see what I say?
I love my mother so.